Dear Mini friends, today is a very exciting day to all of us, and I'm very glad to share this special moment with you. MINI is a brand that has always been about authenticity and character. These are attributes that our fans and customers and our products reflect. With the new MINI Concept Aceman, we are unveiling a new iteration of our iconic MINI design, which we call Charismatic Simplicity. Head of MINI Design Oliver Heilmer will now reveal what's behind Charismatic Simplicity.
Have you ever been welcomed like this? That's an hello only a true companion can say. The new MINI Concept Aceman is a new character within the MINI family. A new era of MINI design. Focusing on the essential and on the MINI icons, the MINI Concept Aceman takes a look ahead into exterior, interior, color and trim, and user interface design of the forthcoming MINI generation. The MINI Concept Aceman creates a holistic customer experience. Immersive. That's exactly how we describe our user experience in the exterior as well as in the interior. A completely new digital interior experience awaits us here. And at the same time, we are back to the roots of the MINI brand. The focus on the essential, as Eléctrico did it for the classic MINI in the 1950s. This highly modern interpretation in the MINI Concept Aceman represents the direction of our upcoming MINI generation. A small steering wheel, the center icon as a round organic LED, and the toggle bar. This also extends to the MINI interaction concept. The MINI experience modes show the full potential. In personal mode, everything relates to the user, to his and her me time. Here, they experience their personal background as an animated cinematograph on a display and as a moving image on the dashboard. And of course, with ambient sound. When our users like to have a friend to navigate them through nightlife, exciting events and trends, our pop-up mode is the best choice. Because your buddy MINI knows the city life better than you do. It is the first time ever experience-oriented navigation function in a MINI. The vivid mode is used in a playful way with intuitive gestures. That's what we mean by immersive. A holistic user experience consisting of light, interaction, and sound. This is the only MINI can do material concept. No chrome, no leather, but progressive textiles made out of recycled polyester, such as knitted surfaces. And we do have fresh colors and a lot of attention to every detail. The high degree of individualization is reflected not only in the user interface and material concept, but also in the creative use of space of our flexible center console with brand new and fantastic features. All this leads to an airy interior perception for our customers. All in all, the MINI Concept Aceman represents a distinctive interpretation of our signature MINI icons. A powerful and highly emotional front-end design, compact proportions and striking and emotional surfaces that represent a new Mini edginess.
I love the MINI Concept Aceman, and I hope you do as well. Its features are emblematic of the new MINI family and embody our strategy for the future. When it hits the road in 2024, the production version MINI Aceman will offer an electrified go-kart feeling, an immersive digital experience, and a strong focus on minimal environmental footprint.